I don't know what this one tastes like. It tastes like tomato sauce mixed with something else. You don't like that one? Mama don't like that one either.
Black.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys.
Hi
what
guys.
What kind of color combination is this I'm wearing, but who cares? Anyway, you guys, as you guys see by the title, you want fries? Today we're doing a similar video to what we did last week. And today we're doing the tasting French snack challenge to see c'est chaud, to see how much I like them. And I think these are snacks that originated from France, and some of them is what babe ate as a kid growing up. And of course Tyler already wants us to open it. Yes, we're gonna open it. So today's video is not about me. I'm not about to do all the talking. You want choose?
So it's gonna be more about me. Yeah, the last week Tyler and I tried some Jamaican snacks, so we decided to do the same thing but the opposite way this time. The first and the main difference between French kid and Jamaican kid is French kid, most of the thing that they eat is sweet. I'm not gonna talk about kids, but French people, most of the things that they eat mainly is sweet. Look at the breakfast. Breakfast we don't get pizza, we don't get we get sweet things. So most of the things that we get for breakfast is sweet.
Wait, let me open it for you.
Difference between French and Jamaican is French we have hours to eat. Like breakfast we take it the first thing we do in the morning, then we eat at midday for lunch, and we have dinner around 8 p.m. Yes, 8 p.m. for dinner.
But you miss one.
That's the three main. I'm gonna come about goûter after. That's the three main meal. Then when you're a kid, you can't stay like 4 hours, 8 hours without eating. So the morning you can have snack at 10 and you can have snack at 4 p.m. Snack at 4 p.m. they call it goûter. So goûter, that's what they get when they get out of the school or yeah. And goûter or snack in France, mainly you're gonna see is something sweet. You don't get chips or rarely get chips, or you don't get things like tigers that we got the last time for goûter. No. Most of the time
so they basically don't snack on chips and cheese tricks like what we Jamaican
you get
snack on.
Chips, but most of the time chips will be as lunchtime. For example, you get the sandwich plus the chips, that's gonna be your lunch.
Okay.
You're not getting that as a snack, or rarely get that as a snack. Most of the time is biscuit or things like this. So here are some biscuits that I used to eat when I was young. So let's see how Tyler will react to it and how Babe will react to it.
And Tyler already wants to open all of this. It's not donut, it's shaped like donut, baby, but it's not. Which one Tyler want to open first?
Which one you want to try with?
Which one?
This one? Okay, this one. This one
Wait, this one.
is one of my favorite, one of the favorite of my mother. It's called Sablé. It's called Sablé. It's known, it's just butter.
It's butter?
Yeah, it's butter. I mean, it don't have chocolate, you don't have jam on it.
Okay.
It used to be one of the favorite of my mom. So let's see.
Did you already tell them that most of French snack have chocolate?
Oh no. If you're going to get some biscuit at the French supermarket, most of the biscuit, most of the snack gonna have chocolate.
90% of every snack in France is
if
chocolate.
you're looking for something that don't have chocolate, you're gonna find
problem.
strawberry.
How crazy!
Something. You need to add something to make it sweet.
Look, Papa have the donut.
So I'm
looking
gonna
one.
take the first one for Tyler, and
He's so
Tyler gonna
waiting.
eat it with
Tyler's ready.
babe together.
Ready?
For you?
What do you say? Come, give me one.
You want a new one? Okay.
I'm not gonna bother Tyler. Give me one.
Alright, take one. Take one full one. So we call that sable. Sable is like sand. So it's
Okay.
something more powdering. It's
Okay, we have this exact taste in Jamaica.
you have this?
But this tastes like Shirley biscuit.
Okay.
They have a biscuit in Jamaica named Shirley biscuit.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
it's the Mama.
It tastes so good. Tyler will love this. You're gonna have to stop buying this for Tyler. This
Tyler
tastes
already
like
ate all of it?
this tastes like it's not donut. This tastes like a little softer version of Shirley biscuit. It's so good. It's more melting. It's a more melting version of Shirley biscuit.
That's why they call it sable. Because it's sandy. It's not something that should be tough. Something that you can, like a sand, you can make it soft and...
Oh, it's so good.
You like it?
Oh,
Ah, that's a good one.
oh, Jesus.
I'm gonna turn that to a French girl.
It tastes like a melting version of Shirley biscuit.
You want this
very
one?
good.
No, Papa.
Which one next? That one is very good.
So this one that used to be one of my favorite when I was young is same thing is sandy things is biscuit around that is the same type and
Wait,
you
Tyler,
have
wait.
strawberry jam in the middle. You can find this with chocolate in the middle, you can find it with
So why you
any
don't buy?
type in the middle, but this one is my favorite, is the jam, the strawberry jam in the middle. For you, Tyler, you want this one now? Don't Papa.
Why you don't buy this one for Tyler? It tastes so good.
Well, you can get it next time.
Well, I'm gonna. You eat Tyler, don't worry, want it. He's giving up
Which
that
one
one
you
for
want?
this one.
Don't Papa.
Don't eat it, just hold it because
Yeah.
he's gonna want it back.
So this is around the same things.
Okay.
It's just in the middle you have
Eat it.
strawberry jam.
Look at Tyler.
Used to be my favorite as kid.
We have this one back home too.
Mama, is that 10? Is that 10?
We have this, but I can't remember what it's called.
You like it?
Yeah, we have it. It tastes good. My only problem is that these things are too sweet for me.
Never too sweet for a French girl.
It tastes good. It's similar to that first one, but the biscuit part is more tougher than that first one. That first one is everything. That first one is my favorite so far.
Okay.
On top of the list, Stella is just licking the jam.
When I was young, that's...
You like it? C'est bon?
Is that 10?
Hmm?
Is that 10?
Yeah, you're using your tongue now. But you need to bite it. You don't want to bite it? But Jesus, you want to lick mine?
Alright,
Ah, he's drooling on my biscuit.
let's go to this one. This one is the main French tradition.
Okay.
You get it with
It's so
tea or thing like this.
Oh, so it's like tea biscuit for us.
Right, it's not necessarily the main, the most liked by the kid, but when you talk about French biscuits, that should be one of the first to come to your mind. They call it petit loup Well, no, petit beurre. Petit beurre is like little butter, because all of the biscuits are made with butter. So most of time with the old person or adult, I'm not gonna say old person, I'm gonna say adult, you're gonna find that maybe with tea, if they're having tea or coffee. Yeah, but let's see with Tyler. That's not the most common for the kids. So let's see how Tyler will react. Let's see if you like it.
Tyler is killing these biscuits.
Tu vas essayer celui-là, Tyler? Donne à papa l'autre. Thank you.
Wait, don't leave him with it.
You get it after.
Nuts.
This is not peanuts, baby.
So this one don't have much sweet taste. That's why it's not favorite from the kids. It's just regular biscuit.
Okay. This one tastes like Excelsior bran and oats biscuit. Excelsior bran and oats biscuit. This is exactly what it is. All my Jamaicans should know exactly what I'm tasting through all of these biscuits when I'm describing. And he's dancing. My grandmother always say when you're eating and you're dancing, that means the food tastes good.
Tyler eat. Tyler a real French boy. Mwah.
Is happy?
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 You're happy? He says he's happy.
So
Tyler want water.
I'm gonna come to some
It's sweet.
salty, some that not sweet. So you
Turn
can,
around the package so they can see the back.
so you can have that's a pack of 4 different things. You can have it for like snackings or whenever the kids are you send them for school out for the entire day, and you can leave a pack of these. In France we have a tradition that we call aperitif. Aperitif is like before to take dinner, you can take a drink like alcohol most of the time, and while you drink you always eat some things beside, and at this time that's something that is not sweet, so it's like cacahuete is peanuts, or you can put a lot of this. So that's also what is called here apéro for aperitif. That's something that you eat while you drink.
These biscuits are sweet.
Attends.
Wait, Tyler, Papa gonna pull it.
So I'm gonna make you test first
Papa
my
gonna open it.
favorite one. That's my favorite one, is this one. You have a peanut test.
Give one to Tyler. I don't want the second one.
You don't want second one? Is not a...
It's like
Why?
it's like I'm eating peanut butter and seasoning at the same time. When I say seasoning, I mean like all-purpose seasoning. It's like peanut butter and MSG mixed together.
Okay.
I'm not a huge fan of that one.
Like you can see in the 4 they put 2 of the same one because it's the most common.
It's 2 of the same.
Yeah, this one is so common that they put in 4, they put the same one.
Let it go. Oh, this one.
Yeah, this one, the same one.
Okay.
You can get this one. That's the only one that I'm gonna make a test about cheese, because we love cheese. We don't get cheese as a snack. We get cheese
By itself.
Yeah, by itself we get cheese at the, like for example,
After you finish eating.
after you finish to eat and before
Dessert.
you take dessert. In France you have dinner, then you have cheese, then you have dessert. You can
Baby, you
squeeze the
missed
cheese,
that. Tyler got just now.
eat them before you take dessert. In France you have dinner.
We're going to do a video on me tasting French cheese, which I've never done before, and you guys, you need to be tuned in for that one. No, babe?
I'm gonna make you the best cheese and the worst cheese together. The stinky cheese. This is
I'm not looking forward to that video, but
one of the nicest
fair.
cheese, this test. Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Okay.
I see.
You guys, I'm gonna show you this one, and before I tell you what it tastes like, I'm gonna have my Jamaicans guess what it tastes like. Can you guys see that? Guess and tell me what this one tastes like in Jamaica. You guess? If you guys guess cheesies, you're right. It tastes like a less cheesier version of cheesies. When we eat cheesies in Jamaica, our fingers have cheese stick on it when it's finished. This one, just consider it a less cheesy version of cheesies. Looks like a less cheesy version of cheesies. We have this.
Okay. So I'm gonna make you taste the last one. The last one is not my favorite. It used to be.
Tyler want the cheesies one.
It used to be in the pack, the one that always remain in the pack.
This one?
Yeah. It's like a tomato ball.
It's my favorite of the pack.
Okay. You're gonna eat them while I eat the other one.
It tastes good.
Okay.
I don't know what it tastes like. We don't have anything back home that tastes like that one. Give me the pack so I can show them. So this one tastes like cheesies. This one is my less favorite, the one with the peanut. And this one tastes, I don't know what this one tastes like. It tastes like tomato sauce mixed with something else. You don't like that one? Mama don't like that one either.
Black.
C'est bon?
I think his first taste have him gagging, but he eats it eventually. Alright, you can have this one. Let us stay here.
I didn't used to go up with this one, but it's so good. And since I know it, even as an adult I used to get it. It's kind of, you can have it for tea, or you can have it at any moment. It's called speculoos. Speculoos is a taste that is different from all the others that they got.
S M F
It's caramel.
F
It's speculoos. I don't know if speculoos have caramel.
7 1 It's one.
No, you don't have caramel. You have cannelle. Cannelle is
I'm trying to figure out what am I tasting. It's nutmeg or cinnamon.
yeah, I was about to say one of these two. So what is it?
You don't taste like nothing I know. I'm not a big fan.
You're not a fan of it? Tyler like it?
Well, look at this one is eating it. I'll eat it, but it's not something that
This one.
go crazy about. Give it to Papa. Mama don't want any more.
Thank you. Tyler not a fan too.
This one.
Tyler want this one, the cheesy one.
This one.
I like it.
I'm not a fan.
Alright guys, so another one. This one is very, 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 very common for the kid. For the young age as Tyler until 6 years old is very, very common. You can find this with chocolate, you can find it with strawberry jam, like I say, all of this type. They call it la barquette.
No, Mama don't want any more.
So let's see how Tyler reacts
Mama don't want any more.
to this.
I know what I'm tasting, but this cheese is one.
I think he got this at daycare place. Tyler? La barquette,
this one.
because
You never bought this one.
La barquette is like, is shaping like a little boat, and we call this type of boat bark. So that's
it's like a canoe.
right, what they use in Jamaica to go to fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why they call it that way.
Okay.
You can see that it's around is not biscuit, So it's more
I'm
like
biting
cake.
expecting biscuit.
It's more for
It's
cake.
like a cake. Interesting.
So it's very soft. The kid don't need teeth.
Very interesting.
So that's for the young kid. They don't need teeth. They can
Interesting.
just wet it, and inside
I thought
is
it was
chocolate.
a biscuit.
No, it's not.
This one completely tricked me. I really thought it was a biscuit, but it's actually a cake with a chocolate inside it. Mama don't want any more, baby. No, thank you. You're very nice, but no, you eat it. It's for Tyler, not for Mama. No, baby. Mama don't want any more. It's too sweet for me. He have it in his hand. Tyler, you need to bite. Oh, he bite it already.
Okay, what it is?
In his hand. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy our little taste testing of French snack. As you can see, Tyler is still
So if
like
you,
a puppy.
If you come in France and you're at the supermarket, don't hesitate to test some of them. And yeah, you can go
And be prepared to get only water when you have these, because you can't have juice. They're very sweet unless you have
We have juice with it.
They do want sweet juice too.
Yeah.
I can't. Impossible. I can't eat. I don't know who's gonna eat these biscuits well. Let me take that back. I know who is gonna eat these
big
biscuits.
boy at home.
Not me.
Too
Not
big
me
boy at
all.
home.
But it tastes nice. Like I said, the first one is my all-time favorite. Anyway, you guys.
Look at Tyler. You don't know who gonna eat this biscuit.
There you
Look
go.
at Tyler.
Hopefully you guys enjoy this little video of our tested French snack, and give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Tyler, no. Subscribe if you're new and Tyler is killing the snack. Tyler, sit up. Look at the camera. Say subscribe. Comment. Bye.
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
Demain, tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Catch up and keep up.
Bye.